Welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today we have Nick here, and he's going to demonstrate how to clean your microwave with all natural products that you have on hand in your kitchen.
So the first step is to get a microwave safe bowl and add about a cup and a half of water. Then we're going to take some lemon and some lime and squeeze a little bit of the juice into the water and then actually dump those slices into the water as well. This is going to help make your microwave smell better, and it's going to help cut through the grease and the stains. And also on top of that, we're going to add a little bit of vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, works as well. This just adds another stain fighting tool to our arsenal of this mixture here. So what we're going to do now is add this into the microwave for about 5 minutes so the water gets nice hot and steamy and builds up on the walls of the microwave. Okay, so our microwave has finished its 5-minute cycle. You don't want to pull it out right away because we want the steam in there to really build on the walls of the microwave to give us an effective way to scrub all the stains out of it. And also because the bowl will be extremely hot after 5 minutes in the microwave. Okay, so we've let the bowl sit in the microwave for another 5 minutes to really let the steam penetrate the walls and the grease and the scum. So we're going to take that out now. Be careful because the bowl may still be hot. And additionally, we're going to remove the turntables from the microwave. Now this microwave is a convection microwave, so it does have an extra heating element. Yours may not, but it is the same process. So now we're just go in with a sponge, a rag, and give a nice wipe down throughout the microwave walls. Now that your microwave looks great on the inside, let's hit that door on the outside. The best solution and easiest is just a little water baking soda mix, like so. Or if you have a more severe stain, try some rubbing alcohol. And in the most extreme cases, you can just apply some Windex and give it a nice scrub. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more. If you have suggestions on things you'd like to see on Appliance Educator, go ahead and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time.